What's up YouTube? This video is gonna be about Rosealee Dissing Pamputtae. Watch till the end. Hope on make sure you subscribe and like to stay updated.
You understand? Me never gonna inbox go beg you no work. Me never gonna inbox go beg you no work. You text my phone. It's a Rosealee, shoot me a number. Me have something to say to you. Me send him a number, you call me. You say Rosealee, more in our music, more in our music video with me. How much you charge? Me said $25,000. Me said $25,000. You say okay, alright. Me not think me can't have so much, you know, because I gotta play sharp, man. So I say then if you not have so much to pay, if you not have so much for pay for music video, if you not have so much for pay for your music video, you understand? Why you call me? Why you call me? If you don't have so much to play for your music video, why you call me? $25,000. $25,000 Jamaican dollar. Remember when you do music video, you have to buy clothes, you have to do ear, and all of them come with, and all of them make you do makeup and set. You have to buy clothes, ear, boot, and sometimes for the whole entire day, you run up behind them like them a smaddy. No, you tell me say you can't pay $25,000 Pamputtae. And me I say to myself, me I tell people themselves, Pamputtae can't pay $25,000, so she broke. And that me say. Pamputtae can't pay $25,000, so she broke. $25,000. I got them boy you have to pay sharp, man. Not more than you see me you so act with me name. And you want to call me for come clone me up run behind you. Pamputtae move your cellar like jelly by the dirty blood clot. Oh long time tabat. Oh long time pedophile. Oh long time pedophile. Move your cellar like jelly by the book. About Rosealee big and still move your man vice. It's all like a man. A long time pedophile. Me you never used to take QQ. You can't pay me for come out of my chair. Woman will fall off and have the career. You can't pay me for come out of my chair. Are you a spice and macadamia support back in the year days? I'm see them go through the door, your door still locked on you. I was there a long time old still iron balloon. When everybody that back, I want to do it to the get. See me girl better you can't do this, I wanna hear nothing more about you. Wanna hear nothing more about you. One do it again. See me girl better you can't do this, go look, leave music career alone. Leave music career alone, go sell out your throat back. It's not for you. See Spice gone through the door there. Lady Star gone through the door there.
Hello, Sula, how are you?
Hello, Mr. Dig up here, the man and avoid my phone. Sure.
What?
No match.
It's okay. We just play. It's okay. Don't go. It's just one man.
See Spice gone through the door there. Maka go through the door. Lady Saw go through the door. We never see her go through the door. You never enter the doorstep. Who don't like use people. Who don't like use people. You never did go use me. Long time pedophile old woman where I take QQ from my 8. You never go use me. When you walk a rock cradle in a blood clot. Where? Uno in the music. This is not TikTok where you fake it till you make it. Only in the music industry and walk and take producer, artists, them piece of shit pauno, all type of story. Don't come on me dirty girl. Big and stink like your body full of cellulite. Your body full of beer cellulite. I'm comfortable in my own self and my own skin. You want a body. You another body Pamputtae, you couldn't carry me behind you because you're never popular. It's like it was some of the me could have get the highlighter fine. You could have do the music video for free. But you know you Pamputtae another body, you couldn't call me. And me tell you $25,000 come here, you can't pay it. Because of the broke. One half last. I me pay $25,000 property come here, you cannot pay it because I know you're broke. Me know you're broke. Me know you're broke like buckle. You're broke. Oh, uno for me rather choose as someone around behind you know. Me rather choose yes so. Me rather run behind a uno. Pamputtae me never take no look young boy yet. GQ never want you till you take QQ. Remember Baba already come bad it out say you like use people. You like make them do the work and you collect. Me know them the type of girl they. Because I was once there. I'm not on a stay. One of the cop for the music video. And the music video take off and una collect on a royalty to no member girl. Music video and them things is a one-time payment only. So you have to use a one-time payment with sense. So I don't know, oh you're in an argument with me, you can't pay me $25,000 for run behind you. So say it's nobody. Use nobody. I'm never gonna tell you say a big. I'm never gonna tell you say a stink. But Pamputtae, I can tell you this, use nobody. How you couldn't pay Rosealee $25,000 for run behind you. Nobody, you big. Nobody. You is nobody. $25,000 you can't pay. $25,000 you can't pay. Not even $200 good. You can't pay. Dirty woman. Dirty woman. When me I do good promotion, my boss $25,000 a long time. What about if I have a gun away? This is I'm sorry for you. Yes, it's I'm sorry for you. Dirty woman. Pamputtae. When me I do promotion. Woman have to move gun away. Me not charge $25,000. When me I do promotion, can you come and say if me have some? Of course me have some money. Right now I'm bigger than you. Pamputtae right now the highlight when me get now my life, you never get it. I never sing a song yet. Cause me have impact on the internet, you fuck. Right now the highlight when me get pan yard, you never get it no time in your life. As an artist. No time. You Anna, or you come here type. Who call ya? Never lack of impact on uno. But you see, them a combo me for what they will do a rummy situation. You want to come at them ear stinky mouth. Cause the alligator just ready for come belch. Move. You don't live in a good house. I don't have cellulite body on a broke. You know how long I see bang wig? You live in a good house. I don't have cellulite body on a broke. You can't pay somebody 25,000 for boots your career. Boots your image or you not have. Remember Spice them flinging on a long time. Spider not so such flies them dash away. And I come about me property around girl you come about. This is a promotion here. A 38-inch this. Google ask me here when they put my head, they can't even buy it. Google ask how much it is. Almost 400 US dollar. And this is upon my head. And a promotion. Uno go pa Amazon go ask how much fee a 38-inch ear. More than $25,000. And it's upon my head. And I free me get the promotion. So me did not walk up and don't be under you for a pedophile lady. Go and look for QQ. You used to take him, I never used to take him. We're not gonna have germs in the industry. Dog fuck no, rat fuck no, cat fuck no, mice fuck no. Dirty woman. You can't pay me for what behind you. 20, you can't pay me 20, hey woman. Hey, dirty girl. Hey girl, I'm a class, you say, yeah? I'm not also stinking you. Me so no. You're smarty. Want to run behind your junk crowd, you broke like dog. I'll gift us over you have more money than you in a life, Pamputtae. I have gift that was 40 badge. I'm in a run behind them, must see you. $25,000 money, dirty Pamputtae. You can't pay girl for music if you run behind with a cellulite body. And your cockroach shorts. Don't know woman I mean you really come out. You can't get no iPad for me. Cause you couldn't pay me $25,000 for run behind and clean you. To all your broke. Clean you. Tell the people them say when you come down I say $25,000 you're going to a lower tone. I said $25,000. I'm never gonna pay a sharp man. That's what tell the people them say you tone low. You never did a talk so strong. You literally want to beg me come do it but you me say you're not a body. It not gonna boost me. Pamputtae to me literally say you're not a body. It never gonna do nothing for me, that's why I not do it. Because if it was somebody in the industry, I'm gonna go for free. Just for the exposure. I'm gonna go for free just for the exposure. You understand? Me not send call this woman about nothing. Me not send Martha let have the comment. Martha let have the comment. Yeah. I wanna go listen. When me talk, someone wanna go listen. So when me talk, someone wanna go listen. Cause I not go because I well want hear. Me no want a girl chat to me when me attack. A girl have to hear when me talk and a girl listen. A girl type after. But there here. Right? I mind my own business. Pamputtae coming on my inbox and say, Rosealee, more if you know one music video, how much you charge? Me say Pamputtae $25,000. To remember, say music video not come with ear, clothes, makeup, food, and etc. Sometimes when you have the music video, depends on the whole of a scene, you're going to take the whole entire day. Pamputtae to Mr. Rosealee. And not so much. You see? Yeah, because never gonna pay a sharp man. Pamputtae whatever the day. Where is that music video that you wanted coming? Where is that music video that you were shooting when you wanted me to come into it and pay me $25,000? Where is that music video? Let me calm down. Pamputtae, where is that music video that you wanted me to be shoot in? Where is that music video? You don't know I'm hype up your thing. Cause every scroll on TikTok you see Rosealee. So you only wanted me to come hype up your career, which you don't have. I'll spice me to come over here doing better than you, but that's okay, we're not going to that. So all of this and all of that me. So take me careless. Cause you look like you eat your pretty them. Look like you eat your pretty them Pamputtae. Never eat the whole of man. Me carry to it. Me careless. Me have picnic for go school. What 25,000 I can do. When me done buy ear, clothes and boat. Right? I could all want change of clothes. Depends on the scene. For run behind you. Who am I gonna get out of $25,000? And then my ear I'm wear. Pay bus tongue me wear. Remember my black body spray bus down me wear. Pay bus down. Pamputtae bus down wig is over $300 US dollars. So Pamputtae me not go work for your wig. When me go run behind your fat? Pamputtae me not go run behind you for a wig. What am I gonna run behind of you for? $25,000 that we can go to the supermarket. $25,000 that we can go to Mecca. What 25,000 can do? 25,000 of money and Pamputtae. If you're a woman are used to money as an artist, you must know that 25,000 is nothing. Cause one buckle of NSC that make her for $30,000. Plus it go one tracer. Plus if you smoke hookah, you go one hookah. $25,000 I cannot buy a top shelf like in no club. I had kids at home. Them go school. At Christmas now. 2 pair of stickers to them at $30,000 that. What 25,000 I can do? Me big, my clothes them big. What am I gonna do with 25,000 at Pamputtae? I never tell someone want to run behind your miss. Catch your gist and the link one, you don't always want to come in an argument with people on social media and get right about big and stink. Me big and stink, but your body full of cellulites. Your body lumpy like some caramel porridge. And we eat and play up in like the sickle, water and lump. Water, yes, and lump this so. When the people them say, Rosealee, you big and stink like underneath you, we are rotten. Remember, be a young boy. Remember, say, you're strain, pure QQ. You're straining with ya and ya. The amount of mileage you pack up underneath your Pamputtae, you can't even sell out your oil. Don't call me name. How when Baba already come out, come class you, I only like use people should have answer from back then. I don't know how you feel. I must say the Christmas beads, you feel come back in your hole. Dirty girl. Cause we don't know nobody. A young people time, you go rest your whole self. It's not going for you. It's not going for you. Thank God you live somewhere. Thank God you didn't get somewhere to catch out of your thing. Now call me name, miss. I don't know your family when you can't call me for run behind the counter on nobody. When me I get promotion per year and a 25,000 promotion, my weight loss injection shot dearer than that. The man who do the promotion fee when we ride at honey. I fuck your hey dirty girl. I'm a class here, you know. Hey girl. But come beg more and get more than that. But come so long and rank for the old and get more than that. Girl, me know what behind a people counting on nobody. You couldn't boost my career. You don't even have a name. Let's say you have a strong name. What do you say Pamputtae that? A Spice make we know you. Spice. Don't get this thing twisted. Cause you never call it off for me. You never call it off for me, na girl. You never use me and you never call it off for me. Go bird something and use it and call it off for it. You know, see you crash for you started QQ you crash. Film you and him program crash one time. We don't hear nothing about no. You could use me 25,000 you can't pay. And I come talk about Tifa. Tifa want me pay her song in my background, I tell her 60,000. You and she can't pay me. I remember I come and live nowhere. I'm not coming. Sorry. Remember I don't come and live nowhere. I'm not coming a big old long time still girl use me. But now I make no big long time still artist girl. Whenever I make it in the industry come use me. And if you'd have name and fame, you wouldn't. You wouldn't even. Look for me. Stinking Pamputtae me turning on Steffland and Yahoo. Go beard. I'm gonna take the cellulite off for your body. No, somebody can't call me about nothing. If them not talk money, me not go. If you not talk money, me now can't pay me for my time. Brother, come sit down and rank. Bright and face and rude and out of order. Rude. Out of order and rude. Like me own a friend. I'm known from somewhere. And I come get bright. But Rosealee, big on the people them say a big on stink. You and the people them come have me. With some ketchup, lettuce, tomato. You and the people them come have me with some ketchup, lettuce, tomato and cheese. Squeeze me tight and have a bite. Die just as a bon appetit. It's about me and people. Won't be acting about people for. Rebel my dance, you couldn't call rebel. What are you stinking girl? Rebel my dance, I'm going to your thing. I did me for a cock and my dancer. And you couldn't call them because you can't pay them. How are your dirt alert? How are your fungus? How are your mucus?